Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to make your iPhone granted faster. Like if your iPhone is working slow and you have a trouble facing lag and issues in opening anything, it's take times and too much slow. So this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned with this channel to get more news and new features about your iMobile. So let's start the video. Here you have to go to your setting, mobile phone setting. After going to the setting, you can see there's a lot of options here. Now you have to touch on the search bar. After touching on a search bar, here you can see now there's also a lot of options appear of your setting. Here you can see accessibility on a top row. You have to touch that because accessibility have all the controls of your mobile phone, like it's working, it's slow and all that. You have to go on that. After going to accessibility, now you can see there's also a lot of options appear here, like all the setting of your mobile phone. So now from here you have to set your mobile phone to work faster and reduce lagging and all that issues that you are facing. Here you have to go to the motion is a space where you have all the setting of your phone that slow or faster. Now you can see reduce motion. If you touch on reduce motion, it's mean that the lagging and the slowness of your phone will be controlled. So now you have to put it on. After put it on, you can see there it's written as now you're lagging an interface of if you open an app it's take time. This is due to that. Now you have to turn on reduce motion. Now your phone and apps will be work smoothly. So hope so friend you like this video and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is very informative for you if you are facing an issue or your phone is slow. Now after open this setting and turn on this setting, your phone will be work fast. And thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video.